Are y'all ready?
Yeah. I'm not walking.
We're going on a bear hunt. Let's go.
Okay.
In our backyard.
Whoa, this is
Right here.
right here. What?
Okay.
No, do not go down there.
Lila is a scaredy cat. Why you trying to leave us? What are you scared of? Girl, we know. Like, just relax. We going on a bear hunt. I'm not gonna fall, Lila. You go here. Oh, Zori. Come on, Lila. Zori, go. Mommy. Zori. Zori, just come on. No, you're not. Come on. Bruh. This girl was crying like somebody was out to attack her. But it was spiders. She's getting spiders. We was not.
Hey, listen, though. I know I'm joking and stuff like that, but yo, the words ring to my head.
I know.
Imagine this, right? You pull up, you in a happy, good mood.